Alright, hello everyone. So pretty much this tutorial is going to teach you how to implement submenus into your expressions wheel. So pretty much here's an example. Let's say you open your expression wheels and you have all of these options right here. So I'm going to go into weapons, and obviously I could open up my battle rifle right there. But let's say I want to add something else into my avatar, like an extra customization option. I could also add, which is this submenu right here. So I have about 7 submenus, and pretty much this menu will initiate a backpack toggle, so I could turn my backpack on or off. And that's pretty much what we're going to be learning in this video. Alright, so how we're going to do this is in your Unity. So hopefully at this point you're gonna be already have your animations here. So pretty much like, for example, for me, I have, golf club, AR, pretty much everything I need on my right hand that is either hosted on my back um, for the weapons menu. But let's say I want to add another menu, for example, toggling Romeo's headgear to be on or off. So right here, I can actually have an option to have it on, so he can have the goggles on, or I can have it off and put it on top of my head. So I'm just gonna do a quick rundown on how to do the animations. Click on main model right here. Remember to make sure the controller is set to none. Main menu, go down to animation. If you can't find the animation, that's in Windows. Go down to click on Window, Animation, Animation, or Control 6. All right. So then you're gonna create, name it. Let's see, Romeo headgear up. You know what? I'm just gonna name it off. Alright, gonna go to click on add property, armature, hips. Now this headgear or item that you want added onto your avatar is connected to a certain bone. Romeo's headgear is connected to the head bone. So let me just find the head, find Romeo headgear, and pretty much add in both of them. Because one is activated, one is deactivated, one is activated. Alright, and then diamonds over here at the 1 second mark, delete these keys. Select the diamonds at the 0 second mark, Control C to copy, move this white line 0.1 second, like the very 0.1 second after. Control V to paste. Alright, should be good, and then just double click on the play button so that you can get your avatar back to a T-pose. After that, once you're done with the animation, just click on this right here and the controller all the way to the right. Click on the little circle to set it back to none. Alright. And now you can initiate your new animation. Or animation toggle. So this one I'm gonna deactivate the one on top of the helmet, reactivate the goggles where the eyes are. Alright, then go click back to main model, create Romeo headgear on. Alrighty. Alright, I got that all set, so hopefully you'll remember how to do this. Set the animator controller to none, and then set this back to its initial state. Alright, so I got two new sets of animations for my sub menu, so this is how we're going to work it out. So for me, I like to make things nice and just keep all these animator and animator controllers and assets, and then just in assets just create folder, just gonna name it upload. That's pretty much where everything's gonna be. So right here I'm gonna right click, create animator controller, gonna name it FX. Right, go to VRChat avatars parameters, and for this one I'm gonna add 3 expression menus. I'm gonna name the first one customization, hopefully I spelled that right. Alright, name the second one weapons. That's gonna be for my weapons menu, and then for my second menu or sub menu, I'm gonna name it Romeo headgear toggle. Alrighty. go click on main model, add component, VRC avatar, and you should see avatar VRC avatar descriptor. Click on that, edit, set up your POV eyes. All right, gonna click on playable layers, FX. Gonna put in your FX right there from assets. Just drag it there. Already gonna go to expressions, and for the expressions, what you're gonna do is for the expression parameter, which is only one, just one that you have, just drag it onto there. And then for the menu, you're gonna put in the customization one, or what I put in is customization. All right. After that, you should be good. Let me go to, and then once you're done with that, just double click FX. Oh no, wait, my bad. Go to parameters, add, name this one. First one I'm gonna do is weapon, so set it to integer right here, type. Add another one, and you're gonna name this, well, I'm gonna name it Romeo headgear toggle. For you, it can be something else like flop toggle or something, and that's it. So those two are my parameters, or AKA menus. And then just double click FX, go up here, parameters, see where the list is empty, just click plus sign int, weapons, click another one, int. I'm gonna name it same as what I did on my parameters, Romeo headgear toggle. Let me just check just in case. Alright, that's good. And then do the same thing for layers, so weapons, and then on the settings or gear icon, just click on that, set the weight to 1. Alright, and do the same thing for your second prop menu of Romeo headgear toggle. Remember to set the weight to 1, and there you go. Alright, so we're gonna start off with weapons. So pretty much just drag in the animations you need to do. Weapon, golf club, AR, magnum, sniper rifle, and shotgun. Alright, hopefully you're at this point where you already know what to do here. So pretty much just any state, just left click it, right click. Once you left click, then after it's highlighted or selected, right click, make transition, just set it right there. Alright, so white triangle should be pointing this way. Alright, and just pretty much do the same thing for all the other animations after that. And then right here, just click on the white triangle facing to your animation. Always start on the first one that you added. Click on the plus sign. So this one is the weapons parameter, so we go to weapons equals 0, because that's going to be the on state every time you enter a world or anything like that. This one will be equals to 1, because it's my first weapon choice. And after that, do the same thing. Alright, I got that done. Alright, now we're going to go to the second menu, which is the Romeo headgear toggle. Alright, now you're going to add in the second set of animation. So I think it was Romeo headgear off was the initiative. Then do the same thing with the weapons or initial prop items. And for this one, I'm going to go to conditions, and when you see weapons here, you could go down to gonna select on the second parameter here, equals 0. Alright, and that's pretty much it. And then once you're done with that, go back to my upload folder. I'm gonna set up the weapons wheel, control weapon, set the type to toggle, weapons integer 0. Oh, and when you select your parameter, make sure it's the one that you're setting your prop or item onto your avatar, the right menu. So we're doing weapons, so obviously this should be in the weapons parameter. All right. All right. Now, once I'm done with the weapons menu, just leave that alone. Go to my Romeo headgear toggle expressions menu. Just gonna set that up as well. For this one, I'm just gonna name it headgear off. Set it to a toggle. And now for this parameter, I'm not going to select weapons. I'm going to select Romeo headgear toggle. And select 0 as the value, because that's how I'm going to start my avatar off in every world. Well, not every world, just initially. For this new controller, headgear on. Set that value to 1. Alright, now we're done with the animation or toggle menus, and I'm going to set up the customization one. And for this one, this is pretty simple. Just gonna name this one weapons, and instead of toggle as the type, you're gonna set it down to submenu, and then this pops up saying, you know, what menu you want to put it in, and pretty much go to your assets, just drag the weapons menu right there, and that's pretty much it. And you could also add the icon of like pretty much a thumbnail of what you want to add in as your menu. I could put that on later, but for now I'm good. So do that sub menu and then put in my second menu right there, and that's pretty much it. Once you're done with that, you can upload this to VRC now, and you should be able to have you know, multiple menus. Now right now this avatar I made previously has many parameters, but you can put, you know, as many as you want, as long as it fits in the avatar, you know, fits in the megabytes for quest obviously. And yeah, it should be good. I hope this tutorial helps you out, and yeah, have a good one.